Sell all your crypto and Bitcoin now. What's going on, guys? Today, we're talking about selling your crypto, and you might be thinking to yourself, Umar, you lost your goddamn mind. Bitcoin's in all-time high territories. Fear and greed index is 60. Bitcoin dominance at 56% or 58% actually, almost 59%. Why the hell are you telling me to sell all my crypto now? Now, guys, first of all, it's not financial advice. Don't be an idiot. Don't just listen to a guy on YouTube and just take his word for it. So obviously, don't be a dummy. Do some research for yourself. But here's why I would definitely sell some of my crypto now. Now, I'm not saying take all profits. Sorry, clickbait is a little bit. But I mean, this is definitely time to take some profits. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Bitcoin currently has just broken past the $72,000 range. I mean, at one point, but sorry, it hasn't just broken past. It has broken past $72,000 for the past 48 hours. It hit all-time high zones just earlier this week. I want to say yesterday it hit about $73,000, which is absolutely insane at 3 p.m. However, since then we're down about 1K. And here's the thing, guys: a crash is inevitable. And why? Umar, why are you just preying on the downfall of Bitcoin? I'm not preying on the downfall of Bitcoin, guys. I made a video like this every single time Bitcoin pumps, and every single time I'm right. You can literally watch every single video. The thumbnail is usually relatively the same. The title's basically the exact same. And every single time I'm saying it, it's true. I remember I said it right around this point over here. I'm like, sell all your Bitcoin now, right? And boom, it dumped. This would have been a great point to rebuy a Bitcoin. Your position would have been higher. And then now, hear me out. Again, not financial advice, so don't take my advice. But around this point in time, I made a video saying sell all your crypto now. This is around the time where some war things were breaking out around the world, okay? If you sold it then and it dipped to about here, and you were to rebuy, right? And again, Umar, how do I know this is a bottom? Don't be a guppy, right? Like if you sold at almost $70,000 and it goes to about 65, right? Like $65,000, how low is it gonna go? I would have even rebought at 66, maybe even $67,000. My bag would have been so much bigger, right? And then I bought and I just waited. I waited for the next big pump, and that would be about now, probably the day it hit all-time high. Take profit. And if you think it's gonna go to $100,000 in the same pump, you're, for lack of better words, very stupid, okay? It's not just gonna go straight to 100,000, guys. That's never how it works. It always pumps and then pulls back a little bit, right? Again, don't be a fool, right? Don't like, listen, play the market. We're all here to make money. There's no pride in being diamond hand here, guys. The whole reason you're watching these videos, investing in crypto, is to take profits and make profits. So go ahead and make a profit. $70,000, boom, sell, boom, all my Bitcoin's gone, okay? What's the next move? The second it hits 69, 68, but 68 probably, I wouldn't wait for it to go lower than 68 because it probably bounce back to like 75 at that point. I'm going to buy back in. And then I'm going to ride it to the top. I mean, if you want to play really conservative, you can sell some of your Bitcoin now, like half, again, not financial advice. And then when it hits 69, even 70, you rebuy it back in. And you're making a profit, guys. Again, there's an old saying, right? You don't make your money on the time you sell your crypto. You make it when you buy, by smart buying, right? Okay, because now, let's go into some bullish news. To start off with the bear stuff. It's looking very bullish, guys. Big fat candles are 100% incoming. Trump says Bitcoin is money and should not be taxed. Trump, Bitcoin is money and you have to pay capital gains tax if you use it to buy coffee, question mark? No, right? So looks like you don't want Bitcoin to be taxed. That's gonna be amazing, especially as a holder, okay? So even more reason for you to continue to buy and sell, right? Again, that's another massive consideration. Umar, but if I sell, I have to pay capital gains, Use a decentralized exchange, don't KYC. The taxman's not gonna know your trading activity. I know, that sounds crazy, but the reality is switch to a decentralized exchange and do all your trading there, and no one's gonna effing know whether you bought, sold, and worry about capital gains tax. The only time you're gonna worry about capital gains tax is when you withdraw it through a centralized exchange into your personal bank account. However, if you go in an alternative route and start spending your money, you're spending your crypto on a decentralized exchange, swapping it through people, like buying things on marketplaces using crypto, transacting with crypto, then you're never gonna get taxed, okay? And again, I don't want to get into tax advice here because then tax man's gonna come after me and look into my trading activities. But I mean, guys, I just want to make it very clear. CRE may have entered the chat. I don't do any trading. And if I do, I do it on a centralized exchange, which you guys could see. So I'm paying all my taxes fairly, okay? But I had to get that out of the way, okay? Because I don't want taxmen coming at my door. But I mean, I've heard that you could trade on decentralized exchange and no one's gonna know when you buy and sell, okay? Because you're not KYC'd, okay? So don't be a guppy. Be a winner. Bitcoin hits all-time highs in 113 different currencies. I don't know why they point this out. Obviously, like, why would it not? But hey, bullish news. People are loving it. 300,000 views. Breaking news. Bitcoin mining becomes legal in Russia starting November 1st. Absolutely massive. Now a whole other country is gonna start mining Bitcoin. And what does that mean? They're gonna take profits, guys. They're gonna hodl and they're gonna take profits. It's just gonna be great for the price. So this is bullish. 5 days left before the US election. This is bullish for Bitcoin. Now guys, I live in Canada. The Canadian guy. I don't know if it's actually 5 days left to the election. Apparently people have been voting before the election, so I don't know how that works exactly, but this is true. It's going to be absolutely massive. I mean, let's not be a guppy. How many days till 2024 election? USA. November 5th. Okay, so yeah, roughly 5 days away to the election. So confirmed. Okay, I'm not guppy. I did my I did my own research due diligence. I saw something on the internet and I wasn't sure, and I went down and did the search. Okay, this blinded me. Don't be guppy. Okay, do your research due diligence. That's the first step. See, I'm teaching you live. Okay. All right. Just in BlackRock ETF has surpassed $30 billion in assets in record time. Amazing. Now, this is another thing that kind of concerns me. It's like if BlackRock's holding all this Bitcoin, and obviously they're not going to sell. They're just going to stockpile like they did with gold. Why is there volatility? Because these guys are playing on the back end too, guys. They're doing the same thing I just told you. They're selling high, they're buying low, and they're taking advantage of all you guppies buying and selling at the absolute wrong and worst times. Bitcoin's huge breakout is imminent, okay? And that's it for the tweets today. And then there's just me waffling. If you want to see me waffle more on X, come over and follow me. Only 133,000 followers, really pathetic. But I retweet some pretty cool stuff. Sometimes it's just degenerate stuff. All right, guys. So sentiment. Umar, so what? Well, you said sell all your crypto, don't sell all your crypto. I mean, guys, I don't care what you do. What I'm going to potentially do, again, not financial advice, take some profits. And when it dips, which it 100% will dip, and I'm not going to make a video saying, oh, I was right, because it literally happens every single time. When it dips, I'll load back up. Maybe it'll be a small dip, maybe it'll be a bigger dip. Regardless, it's going to dip, guys, and I'm going to load back up. And then when it pumps again, I'm gonna take profits again. And that's how I keep growing my bag, guys. That's how I've been doing this full time for this past couple of years. Now, if you wanna learn how to trade it and become a master trader just like me, it's free. Hit the subscribe button down below. Free game. That wraps the video, guys. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.